Hello and welcome to this week's episode of FinTech Futures presented to you by Dukaskope TV. Credit-building startup Petal raises $140 million in Series D and faces lawsuit. Credit card startup Petal has raised $140 million in a Series D round led by Terceria Investments, bringing the company's valuation to $800 million. Petal leverages the user's banking data to reimagine their credit score, considering other data points to offer credit to those who are often overlooked by legacy banks. This cash score is an alternative measure of a person's creditworthiness based on their income, savings, and spending history. The company says hundreds of thousands of members rely on Petal to access and build credit. More than 40% of new members approved for a Petal card in 2021 were first denied credit by a major bank. But it's not all good news at Petal headquarters. Two of the fintech's co-founders are expected to testify this month in a lawsuit that alleges one of them stole the idea for the company from an acquaintance. The suit filed by entrepreneur Cassandra Sheikh alleges that she developed the idea for a firm that would facilitate credit for immigrants with little or no credit history. Petal co-founder Andrew Endicott allegedly took the idea, began hiring and cut her out of what eventually became a successful multi-million-dollar company, according to the lawsuit. Spanish neobank Unibo launches to cater for property managers. Unibo, a neobank for property management, is set to launch imminently in Spain. It will provide a personalized, digital-first platform for online banking in the real estate sector. The first product will be a checking account for landlords and other property managers. Unibo operates under the Electronic Money Entity license. The client's funds are held in Banco Inversos. Founded in Barcelona last May, the startup raised 500,000 euros in a seed round in November. Speaking to Spanish magazine El Referente, CEO and co-founder Pedro Garcia said property managers and real estate agents are an unloved customer segment within traditional banks. Despite representing a high-volume general business, they continue to be offered the same products and services as 15 years ago, Garcia told El Referente. Biometric authentication specialist iProov secures $70 million investment. iProov, biometric face authentication specialist, has received $70 million growth investment from Sumero Equity Partners. iProov says it will use the new capital to grow its worldwide presence and partner network and hire more staff. Its technology is used in the banking world by Rabobank and ING, among others. It also has strong presence in the governmental sector, with clients including the US Department of Homeland Security, the UK Home Office, the UK National Health Service, the Australian Taxation Office, and Galtech Singapore. iProov was founded in 2011 and launched to market 2 years later. It closed its Series A funding round in 2019. It says it tripled its revenues from 2020 to 2021, processing more online verifications during one 10-day period in 2021 than in the whole of 2020. More than 1 million verifications were completed in a single day several times in 2021, according to the company. Our potential is enormous, states Andrew Budd, founder and CEO of iProov. Thank you for watching this week's episode of FinTech Futures presented to you by Dukaskope TV. We'll see you next week.